Alright guys, here it is again, Kitty, back with another one. This is Whitehurst Nature Preserve, back at it again. Sorry, haven't been filming in a while. I'm out of breath, kind of went off trail a few times. But yeah, so I've been working a lot. So I'm trying to get content when I can. There's a little garage right there. Yeah, so we just started. You guys haven't really missed anything. So we did see a couple deer running through. I'm sad we couldn't get that on camera. But yeah, I'm back at it again. So I hope you guys are happy. My little nephew's standing over there in the woods. I have no idea what he's doing. So yeah, this one is a little bit further than what we have been doing. It's probably about 40-45 minutes away from where we live. So it's a little bit further than the ones that we have been doing. But hope you guys are happy. He's running back that way. I don't know what he's doing, so we're just gonna go this way. It's a nice day out. And yeah. Usually we go skating every Saturday at Roller Dome North. So there goes another trail that way. So we're sometimes busy a lot, and with work I don't get off till like 6 o'clock at night, so it is a little late when I get off. But trying to get you guys some new content out. I have no idea where he went. I think I hear him. I just don't see him. It's 4 o'clock. Like I said, it is a beautiful day out. He went back to film something because he wanted to film something. I'm getting a lot older, so my bones aren't always ready to run laps. But I'm trying to wait for him as much as possible. I just don't want to wait too long because I don't like keeping you guys waiting. Here he comes, he's running now. Coming through right now. I just got smacked in the head with leaves. What is that? I don't know what that is. I just touched them though. A lot of them. Did not know they were on multiple leaves. Here he comes right now. So I came prepared this time, guys. I came in shoes instead of Crocs, like I normally do, because it's a little ridiculous. So it looks like it goes this way, and then it goes that way. So we have two cuts. We can go that way or that way. But I feel like we just came from, didn't we just? And there was nowhere to go. Because like I said, guys, we have never done this trail, so we don't exactly know where we're going. We already went that way. There was nothing to do that way. We got cut off.
We kept getting lost.
Yeah, we kept getting lost, and there was nowhere else to go. There's a trail right here.
Well, at least we're going back to the car now.
No, we're not. Car's that way.
Of course it's that way.
Huh?
Car's that way.
No, it's not, bud.
Yeah, hold on. That's the gravel. That's where the barn is.
Maybe this is where we're supposed to go. Maybe this way is like... Because look, the gravel road goes all the way down there, but I'm not sure if that's like part of the trail or... Well, I kind of want to pause the video. Huh. Wow, guys, we've been doing this. We've been walking around forever. And we found the trail. We've been walking around for an hour looking for the trail. You said what?
We did not see that.
We didn't see it. We've been walking around for an hour looking for this trail. Like, it is so big for no apparent reason.
What is that, like a signal?
I think it's like a signal thing. I don't know. I don't know. We're not in Call of Duty, though. Literally, guys, we've been walking around for an hour looking to how to get on this trail. Like, it's so big. You can go this way or you can go that way. I feel like that way goes... No, that way probably goes back to where we don't want to go. Probably to where we've been going. This way is like the opposite of where we went. So maybe this is a little bit better. And guys, I did take my case off my phone. So if I am a little bit louder, I'm sorry, because I don't extremely know how loud I am because I had a waterproof case on and you guys probably couldn't hear me. So I'm not trying to yell, but this is pretty. Nice day out. Walking. Got butterflies everywhere. Birds chirping. But yeah. I'm trying to get in the routine of constantly making videos, but like I said, I'm sorry because I don't always have time for you guys. Not that I don't want to, but this is not a permanent job, which I would like it to be, but I can't. Look at this. This goes back out to a gravel road. You got hiking signs. Go this way or this way. We're gonna go this way. We're not gonna go off trail because I don't want to get ate up, so we're gonna keep going this way. But at the end, you can tell there's a gate. We can keep walking down, but at the end there, it looks like there's literally like a gate. You see? It looks like a gate crosses over.
I might have to jump it or something.
Jump it. Yeah, there it is. I mean, you could go off trail, but...
No.
Did you hear somebody talking? I know you heard that. I know you heard that. No, it was too low for the camera. And yeah, I know, but there's still... I'm not jumping over it. That could be somebody's house, bro. We've already seen cabins and stuff. I'm not about to get shot.
It turns right up here.
But yeah, literally, I hope the camera caught that because that was like, it sounded like a little girl talking, but I don't know. It just sounded like a little girl saying, hello? Yeah, it did.
We already hear the door creaking. Now you hear
Yeah, but this is nowhere. This just says no parking. It keeps going down, yeah.
Hey, there's another one that's up there. There's one.
Yeah, I know, I see that. I seen that. But I mean, I'm not trying to go off trail though. I was, but then I'm like, I'm not trying to get ate up by mosquitoes. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys caught that, but that was a big old eagle that just flew by. Yeah, like it was over here and then it flew over here and the bushes. Huh? What is what? An eagle? Oh, that's a voltage box for like power. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see the gate at the end, but there's literally like a gate down there. So we cannot go that way. But like I said, beautiful day. Beautiful day.
It smells good out here. Smells like flowers.
See, here's another off trail right here. Should we just go off trail? I mean, I don't want to get ate up by mosquitoes, but at the same time, I don't want to just not get a video.
We can't find nothing.
Yeah, I know. We've literally been walking around for an hour, and now it feels like we're lost again. Literally.
It looks like a road.
Yeah, I'm saying it looks like a road, so we literally have to go in. Right here.
Look, there's a dock right there. Look, to your right.
Yeah, but that doesn't say it's a trail. I'm just going this way. This is what it looks like. So I'm going this way, guys. I mean, this is what it is. So we're just going to do this for you guys. I'm trying to get a video in for you guys. So we're going to try and get a video for you guys tomorrow. Like I said, we are busy a lot. So we're always on the move, but we are trying to give you guys more content and videos. So we are sorry about the 3-week late video. Because, you know, life's not always easy. That's cool. And like I said, we have been looking for this trail, going off trail for like an hour. What?
Bones right here.
Huh?
There's bones right here.
There's bones. Huh?
There's bones and skull.
Ew. Yo. Look at that, guys.
Is that a... What animal is that?
We probably shouldn't show too much on YouTube. Might get demonetized, but that's crazy, guys. That is crazy.
How didn't you see it? You probably stepped in it.
No, I didn't see it. I didn't even step on it. I stepped around. I don't even think I was on the trail. I didn't see it. I wasn't looking down. Alright, guys. Well, bones, blood, and stuff like that. You got to be careful what you post, is what I'm saying. I don't know. Look at that. Awesome. Well, sometimes it is peaceful to just find trails and go for walks. Like I said, I know some of you guys probably can't do it, or you're just too young, or some of you guys, you know, have disabilities where life won't let you do certain things, but we're here to change that. You guys just sit down, grab your snacks, and watch us. You guys can act like you're here with us. And like I said, if you guys, in the last video, I know I said if you guys have any places, just let us know down in the comments where we should go, or where you think trails are at where we should probably go. But just let us know, because we're always looking down to go to different trails. Look at this little arch on the tree. It's kind of cool how they do that. I've only seen that a couple times in videos where trees do that. But yeah, I think we actually found the trail, because like I said, guys, we've been walking for like an hour and we have not found anything until now. Where the sign was at is where it started, so we're good now. I'm just gonna go straight, because I don't want to go off trail and get lost again and be right back to square root 1. But that does go down kind of far, guys. Excuse me. Let a little burp out, sorry. But yeah, goes down pretty far. Now I'm going back uphill. Look at that tree. That's crazy. But yeah. Oh, look, there's water right there. I didn't see that. Yeah. Yeah, no, I think I'll pass. And like I said, I have no idea where this goes, because I've never been here, but it looks like it ends right here. I'm gonna keep going down and see what that gate goes to. And oh wait, yeah, we can. Well, look, this one goes right through here. No, we didn't. No, we didn't. We came through here. Did we? I know you heard that. It sounded like the door creaking again. No, it was over here.
Talking about that?
See, that's where we came in. Oh, you talking about the wood plank on the right? You talking about the wood plank on the right? Okay, yeah, we could do that. I don't know where that goes either, so. We're trying to give you guys a longer video than 19 minutes, but. What?
I heard a video, I heard a stick over there break when you heard that door creak.
Yeah, I know. It was probably a stick, so. Like you heard. Yeah, I don't remember if I told you guys, but we did see a deer that we did not get in this video, so I'm a little upset about that. I think I told you guys at the beginning, but yeah, kind of sucks. No parking. And I know that I walk fast, and you probably see it in his video that I do walk fast. I try to keep a safe distance from him, so I'm not talking over him and he's not talking over me. So you guys can't hear him yelling at me and I can't yell at him. So we try to keep a safe distance from where you guys can hear us trying to talk over each other. But sometimes it is what it is, so we do what we can in the moments that we have. Jaden, why are you running? Why are you running? Why are we running, dude? I'm way too old for this. My bones hurt. What? So that's where we did come from. And now we're gonna go this way. Because, like we said, that way is closed off, so. I'm trying to give you guys a little bit. We can go right or left. I'm going to the right. It's not hay, it's fresh cut grass. You can go that way, or you can go this way. We're gonna keep going this way. No, we didn't. We haven't even took this trail yet.
I don't even know. I think everything looks the same.
I know, everything looks the same. Like I said, we've been trying to find a trail for like the last hour. Still been looking. But it's 4 o'clock, so we're gonna have to try and get through this video a little faster than normal because we are going skating tonight, but I guess this is not normal because our videos are not this long sometimes. Yeah. It's 4 o'clock. We got to get there at like 6. So we're going to have to leave like soon because we still got to drive like 45 minutes. 35, 40. Same thing. And I probably got to retake a shower because I'm sweating. So. But then again, we are going skating. So all we're going to do is sweat. But still, I need to take a shower. Again. I know you guys don't. This doesn't look like it's a upcline on camera, but it is literally going uphill. And it is steep. So my old bones are trying to get up this. And like I said, I don't know where this goes. Sorry I sound like I'm out of breath. Because I am. Ground's a little soggy. But yeah, we came out here to make a video for you guys. So even if it did take 35, 40 minutes, we came right back to the same spot. Alright guys, well this is where I'm going to end the video because I guess this is where the trail ends. So this is where I'm going to end it. So peace!